What if I told you that building wealth isn't about working harder, but using the right algorithm? Forget get-rich-quick schemes, not crypto gambling, but an actual algorithm that the top 1% have been using for decades to compound their money exponentially. In today's video, I'll reveal the secret algorithm that the wealthy are already using to grow their money on autopilot. No fluff, just a practical breakdown you can start applying today. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll share a real-world example that could change the way you think about money forever. For years, we've been told to save money, get a stable job, and maybe invest in a 401k. But here's the truth. Savers don't get rich. Investors do. Inflation eats your savings. Banks give you less than 1% interest. That's not wealth building, that's wealth erosion. Meanwhile, wealthy people let systems, algorithms do the heavy lifting. Think automated investing, AI-driven portfolio balancing, and optimized compounding strategies. Let's be clear up front. There isn't one single mystical algorithm that prints money while you sleep. The true secret algorithm is a powerful framework built on fundamental financial principles, applied with consistency and discipline. It's a set of interconnected rules that, when followed, compound over time to create significant financial growth. Think of it less as a computer program and more as a well-oiled financial machine you build yourself. A wealth algorithm is a repeatable system that grows money consistently. It removes emotion, guesswork, and time wasting. The secret algorithm has 3 core components, and I call it the PAC formula. Pay yourself first, automate everything, compound relentlessly. Let's break it down into 3 core parts. Input, your income or seed capital. Logic, rules for how your money is allocated, automatically. Output, compounding returns over time. This is the backbone of robo-advisors, high-frequency trading, and even some AI-powered savings apps. But you can use simplified versions of this right now. Most people pay everyone else first, bills, rent, entertainment, then save what's left over. The algorithm flips this. You pay your future self first, automatically, before you can spend it. The moment money hits your account, the algorithm kicks in. No willpower required, no decisions to make. The system runs itself. This is where the magic happens. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. The algorithm harnesses this power through strategic asset allocation. Let me show you the actual numbers that will blow your mind. Let's look at a real-world version you can set up today using basic tools. It goes like this. Step 1. Automatically deposit 15 to 20% of your income into a high-yield account or brokerage weekly. Step 2. Set up auto-invest into index funds like S&P 500 or fractional shares via apps like M1 Finance or Fidelity. Step 3. Rebalance quarterly using AI tools like Wealthfront, Betterment to reduce risk and maximize growth. Historically, at an average 8% return, if you start with just $500 and invest $200 a month into an S&P 500 fund through an automated platform, you could have over $50,000 in 10 years without ever lifting a finger again. This formula quietly compounds over months and years without you needing to time the market or follow crypto hype. Let's say you start with just $100 a month at age 25. Year 10, $20,000. Year 20, $76,000. Year 30, $227,000. Year 40, $632,000. Notice how the growth accelerates? That's compound interest doing the heavy lifting. The algorithm doesn't just save money, it multiplies it exponentially. If you fold a piece of paper 42 times, it reaches the moon. That's compound growth in action. Your money follows the same exponential curve. Here's the real magic. Automation helps you stay consistent. We don't fail because we're lazy. We fail because we try to make 100 money decisions every month. Algorithms strip out that noise. They protect you from yourself. The rich use them not just for investing, but for budgeting, taxes, and even charitable giving. Now, let's talk about the optimization loop of our wealth algorithm, minimizing unnecessary expenses and eliminating high-interest debt. Think of debt, especially credit card debt, as a virus that eats away at your financial health. It slows down or even reverses the wealth-building process. Just like an algorithm is constantly refining its processes, you need to regularly review your spending. Every dollar saved is a dollar that can be put to work in your automated investment system. Focus on eliminating high-interest debt using methods like the debt snowball or avalanche. This frees up more capital for your wealth-building engine, accelerating your progress. Here are the advanced tactics that separate the wealthy from everyone else. Tax optimization layer. The algorithm prioritizes tax-advantaged accounts like your 401k match, which is free money, and Roth IRA for tax-free growth. The income escalation protocol. Every time you get a raise, immediately increase your automatic wealth contribution by 50% of the raise amount. This prevents lifestyle inflation and accelerates wealth building. The side hustle integration. The algorithm treats side income differently. 100% of side hustle income goes directly to wealth building. This creates multiple wealth building engines working simultaneously. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes that will sabotage your algorithm. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The algorithm works because of time in the market, not timing the market. Start now with whatever amount you can. Mistake number 2, emotional interference. The algorithm only works if you stick to it. Market crashes, economic uncertainty, family pressure, none of it matters. The system runs automatically. Mistake number 3, complexity paralysis. Don't overthink it. Simple, consistent execution beats perfect optimization every time. Start with basic index funds and automate everything. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. The algorithm forgives mistakes, but rewards persistence. Look, I've just handed you the exact same wealth-building algorithm that millionaires use, the same system that turns ordinary people into financially free individuals. But here's the reality check. Information without implementation is just entertainment. 95% of people who watch this video will do nothing with it. They'll save it, bookmark it, maybe even share it, but they won't take action. Don't be part of the 95%. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Next steps. Calculate your wealth number right now. Set up 1 automatic transfer this week. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more smart money strategies. Drop a comment. What's your wealth algorithm going to be? The algorithm is simple. The execution is straightforward. The results are life-changing. Your journey to financial freedom starts with your very next decision. Make it count. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.